Hi friends, welcome back to another unboxing video by Gothic Footwear Australia. Today we have for you one of our best-selling shoes by NewRock, the 106-S1 model. All products that we are unboxing for you are available to buy online with free shipping for Australia and New Zealand. These shoes are available in European sizes from 35 to 48, suitable for all genders. This style is from their metallic collection and is made using cow leather on the outside and pigskin leather on the inside. The sole is made from PU Ultra, which is known for its durability, and on this model it is fixed to the shoe with glue. The platform height is from 4 cm to 7 cm at the heel end. And we have the NewRock logo on the back of the shoe. Let us know in the comments what you think of this style, or if there is a style you want to see unboxed next time. One big difference between NewRock and Demonia is evident in the quality of the shoes, as NewRock is made in Spain in Europe, unlike Demonia, which is made in China. We buy direct from the NewRock factory in Spain and will most often ship direct to you from Spain. However, we handle any sizing returns ourselves in Australia, so you don't need to send the shoes back to Spain if you need to exchange them. These shoes also have a bit of padding for comfort, and the laces just hook on. The little Made in Spain writing on the bottom of the sole there. And at the moment, most of these metallic little adornments, as well as the hooks for the laces, are all replaceable. We can organize that for you if they were to fall off or break. If you do enjoy watching our little unboxing videos, we would love for you to subscribe to our channel to help support us to make more of these unboxing videos. It does take us a little bit of time even to do just these basic edits of these videos, but it would be nice to continue bringing more styles unboxed to you. Have you thought about investing in a pair of NewRocks yourself? Let us know what you think of this style, or if you have a pair of NewRocks, let us know what you think about them. And although this model in particular is made with real leather, NewRock also does have some vegan options as well, and we are constantly adding new styles of NewRock shoes to our website. That's all we have time for today, so come back soon to see more unboxing of your favourite styles. Thanks for watching!